Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorfully Handmade. Today we are going to quickly learn how to decorate these acrylic blanks that is turned into keychains, or it can also be used as tags or danglers for cars, etc. We quickly get into the Cricut design space, and I'm just going to select the images that I need. We are going to make one in theme gym. So I have already saved the images so that it will be very useful when you're working frequently with the same designs. So I'm quickly selecting these three designs, one going on one side and two other designs going on the other side of the keychain, and we just turn the images as per the size of the acrylic keychain. It is 3 inches in diameter, so the design must be a little smaller than that. And once you just select the size required, you can just weld the image together so that it will be cutting together and you can use it easily. And now I'm going to load the black permanent vinyl, smart vinyl that doesn't require a mat, and you just load and it's all set to go for a perfect cut. However small the design is, if you are using Cricut materials, it just cuts perfectly without any issues like the vinyl getting up from the mat. You can just see here, so neat, so precise. And now is the favorite part, weeding the design. I'm just using the weeding tool and just removing the negatives of the design here. And this is something that I enjoy the most, as always, a therapy, you can say. And see how neatly it is coming out without any hassle. There are varieties of weeding tools that is available from Cricut. I'm just using one among the 5 weeding tools that I have. And once the weeding is done, I'm just going to use the transfer tape from vinyl. Just cut the transfer tape in the size of the design and just place it over. Give a nice press using the scraper tool, and we can just transfer the designs on any surfaces other than the acrylic blocks as well. And there is a tip here that you can use the transfer tape number of times. It is not like you use it once and just throw away. You can use it until the adhesive is strong enough to transfer the designs that you have cut on the surfaces. So you can keep the backing with you, and just after the use you can just place the transfer tape on the backing and use it again. And this is how you transfer the design on the acrylic cutout. Once you place and you give a nice press throughout the design, and then you just remove the transfer tape from the surface. And you can also coat this with resin so that it is forever. It is not mandatory you are using the permanent vinyls, but if at all you require, you can just pour a coat of resin. I have made one more here with the theme of putting it on the car. I've used a brush stroke behind in blue permanent vinyl, upon that white permanent vinyl, and I have also covered the other gym themed one in grey brush stroke behind, so that I can put one more image back of this here. This is a silver matte permanent vinyl, and this is the process. I have cut the other design that I've already shown before. Drive safe, someone silently cares. I'm cutting this in white permanent smart vinyl, which is super easy to use. Like, you need not cut the vinyl, put it on the mat and then load. You can just directly load the vinyl roll into the machine, as it is a smart